We'll guide you through how to increase iPhone ringtone volume. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. You may be finding you don't get any ringtone volume when you go and receive a call, or you may be finding that it's just very quiet and so you can't properly hear it, perhaps you're hard of hearing, or it's just very quiet anyway. So we'll guide you through some different fixes you can try, as otherwise you can end up missing loads of important calls. So let's go and get right into this. So if we come to the top right of the iPhone, you can come and drag down on the battery to open the control center. Here, you may have tried increasing the volume and you find this doesn't make an impact. So we've got some different things you can try here. So first of all, you can actually go and use this side button. You want to go and tap and hold it. You want to make sure when you go and press it that it goes and says ring. This means the silent mode is turned off and the ringer is on, and calls should then go be making a sound if they weren't at all before. You can also go and adjust this in the control center by pressing this bell icon. If it's highlighted like so, silent mode's on. So tap it again and it's then off. So now when we get a call, it should go and ring. However, if that isn't increasing it or it's still very quiet or nothing at all, the next thing you want to try doing is opening up your settings like so. You want to scroll down. If you're connected to a Bluetooth device, try turning that off, as it may be trying to send a call through that. So you can go and turn it off, and then the iPhone should then go and ring when you get a call. Try testing it now. If you're finding that it still isn't, then what you want to try doing is coming down and you want to go and find the option for sounds and haptics, and you can go and tap there. So the main ringtone volume adjustment is here. What I like to do is go and switch off changing buttons. I find it works way better, and otherwise it can go and be changed. And then what you want to do is go and drag this. You can drag it all the way up like so. And so that is as loud as it can go and get. That's the most you can go and increase it. What I also like to do here as well is come into haptics. So haptics is essentially your phone vibrating. So if you go and have this on a solid surface or some type of surface, you're going to notice that it makes a lot of noise. So this can go and make it more obvious that you've got an incoming call, and I recommend you go and select it to always play. And then when you get a call, that will go and start vibrating as well. With the help of this guide, hopefully now your ringtone is louder and you've managed to go and increase it. And especially if it was nothing at all, hopefully you've got something, or if it was just very quiet, hopefully now it's louder. So now you should stop missing important calls and you should be able to go and answer them. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Thank you so much for watching this. If you need any more help with anything, go and check out the channel. We've got loads of guides on there you can check out. Put a comment down below and we try our best to get back to you as well, or somebody else may be able to go and help you. I look forward to helping you again in the future with more useful tech guides. Have a great day. Goodbye.